I need to make longer, stronger tongs for the boys at Mauser Packaging in York, Pennsylvania. Craig and Toby have had a lot of patience with me going through different iterations, and I think this style will work best. For their tongs, I've gone from mild steel to medium carbon to W1, and this steel here is 52-100 or bearing steel. This is well over 1% carbon, and you really know it when you try to forge this out by hand. So not only am I using a harder steel, but I'm also going to go about these tongs in the most straightforward way possible with minimal offsets or unnecessary frills that might lead to weak spots. For their purpose, they really just need very strong tongs. I need to give a big shout out to Rick Bosch for his recent generous donation. Much appreciated, my friend. Thank you. Here's the handled fuller I recently made, getting a lot of good use out of this. This 52-100 steel really wears my arm out. When I go back to the 1018 mild steel I use for my forging tongs, it feels like butter in comparison.
Burning my butt off over here. What the heck are you looking at? I'm trying to hammer. I'd rather get your banana, huh? You happy now?
Spring is in the air, and the blacksmith bird is in full effect over here, driving me bananas, no pun intended. I think he's maybe interested in learning blacksmithing. Been using this heavy pipe as a bolster, and when I was out I found an even heavier piece that should work very well. When I get a chance, I'll put a hardy shank on this. a fair amount of people were interested in the tube-style guillotine tools I had left over. I have something else in the works, but it might be quite some time before that comes to fruition. You maybe remember my simple rivet header system. I'm working on something else, and I'll probably show that in an upcoming video. So there's nothing fancy here, but that's the point. They just need tongs that work for their purpose. These tongs have a lot of spring, a lot of resistance. I sure hope they fit the bill. That's all for now. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.